The behavior and population of seals are a key indicator to the health of a coastal ecosystem. Instead of chipping them, we can also use their facial features to recognize them. But this is incredibly time-consuming when done by hand. That is why in this challenge you will be working with Colgate University to develop a facial recognition model for seals.
The history of SealNet is that I spent my summers growing up on the coast of Maine, and I watched a population of harbor seals grow from just a few individuals that you'd be lucky to see every summer to a large number of individuals that you could see daily hauling out on rocks in the bay. And I began to wonder, being a behavioral ecologist and geneticist, how I could study these animals without disturbing them and disturbing the ecosystem. And current methods are either invasive, that is, you have to catch the animal and tag them, or very time-consuming, like photo ID, or expensive, like aerial photographs of wild populations. So a few years ago, I came across an article, a very interesting article, looking at facial recognition using human facial recognition software on endangered species of lemurs in Madagascar. I wondered if such a tool could be used on a phylogenetically distinct species, such as harbor seals, something very different from a human face. Seals are key ecosystem regulators, so it's important to monitor their behavior. What I mean by that is, as top predators, their movements and feeding behaviors can actually dictate the distribution of other species in marine coastal ecosystems. So understanding the behavior of seals is key to understanding critical factors that influence, the preservation and conservation of marine ecosystem function. So in addition, as you may know, large marine mammals, as well as seals, are some of these populations are endangered. For example, the Hawaiian monk seal and the Mediterranean monk seal are critically endangered. So monitoring individuals in these populations as non-invasively as possible is very essential. We are really hoping that the people who join this project enjoy it as much as we have. It's very hard not to view these images of seals and their many facial expressions on these rocks and not start to wonder what the seals are thinking. How long are they going to stay? Will they return? Who are they next to? All these things we really don't know about wild animals, particularly in the ocean. So I hope that really inspires people to try to improve this software.